Here's a guide on how to view the list of individuals you've blocked on Facebook. Regardless of whether you blocked someone a week, a month, or even a year ago, you can view the entire list of individuals you've blocked and the precise date you blocked them. Let me walk you through the process. First, launch Facebook and tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Next, go to your profile located at the top left. Beside the Edit Profile option, there are 3 dots. Tap on them. The next step involves accessing the activity log. This log displays all your activities, but we need to specifically filter for blocked contacts. Once the activity log loads, tap on the Filters option at the top left. Afterwards, select Categories. Scroll down towards the bottom and choose Connections. When you scroll down within this section, you'll find Blocked as an option. By tapping on it, you can view the exact person you blocked and the precise date you blocked them. If you haven't blocked many people, the list might be short, but it will still show you everyone you've ever blocked. For instance, the last person I blocked was on July 21st, 2022, a couple of years ago. You can review this list, and if you decide to unblock someone, you can easily locate them here and proceed to unblock them. This feature provides a comprehensive record of all the people you've added to your blocked list. I hope you find this helpful. If there are any additional questions, please post them in the comments section below, and I'll address them in the next video.